Hey guys, welcome back to another part of the IPERC management system tutorial. Today we are going to learn about tasks, which is one of the most important function in this system. Okay, so as always, we start at our admin portal. We can access this admin portal by logging into your account and click this dashboard button. Okay. And today we're going to focus on tasks. And you can see this blue button. We will click on this tasks. And then you can see a list of task entries. You can select, you can show 10, you can show 25, you can show 50. And this gray bar, as always, is our filter bar. You can see categories. We can see the task category. We'll go into that in just a little bit. And we'll see the connections, and we can see the updates in the past 1 day, 7 days, 14 days, or 365 days. So here are a list of how long you want to see past, and this is how you filter the tasks you can see. And these are created tasks. So we'll go ahead and see how you can create a task. As always, on the right, we have a blue button that says create a task. We will go ahead and click that. And first, you need to select a category. And a category just means which kind of task you are doing. And it's all numbered. 0 is sending partnership development, which means that you are developing a new partnership with an agency, a school, or language training center, whatever it is. It's a partnership development. And then number 1 is related to schools like ACCP Partner Center implementation, sister schools, or online program for agency students. Okay. And number 2 are related to colleges. Okay. Number 2.1 is college direct application. It's either undergraduate or graduate. Number 2.2 is receiving university development. That just means that to develop a partnership to join our ACCP consortium university. And number 3 is 2C student. Those are the independent individual students that send inquiry to IPERC without agencies. And number 4 is secondary school programs. Okay. And these are the categories. And we will update this category as we go. But these are the categories so far. And we can start a college direct application and salesman. If you've been watching the past videos, you will know if you are a salesman, this is you. If you are a manager or a regional manager, you can select any salesman that you manage. Okay, let's go ahead. And a college direct application, we have students. You can select a student in here or multiple students in here. And each category has a phase. Um, these are the phases for college direct application. Usually we start at number 1, new inquiry, and then each of the category has its own phases. It's all built into the system. Okay, we'll just select new inquiry, and we can select. We can type in a title. It's just one college app. How about that? Okay, that's great. Okay, that's just a title for this task that you are following. You have to constantly be following up with these tasks and make sure they're done. And descriptions and tags, there are a ton of tags that you can select. Um, there are some you can select urgent. That means that this task needs to be done, or you can select needs followed up, and that just means that this task should be followed up. Or you can tag this as in ETSU or graduate application. You can, indicate here, uh, Marquette University, these kind of uh, tags that you can mark this specific task. Okay. And then you can click update. That just means it's going into the tasks list. All right, now we just created this one. We can go ahead and go in here, and you can see this is global, and that's your salesman, that's your regional manager, and that's your student. And you can always click on the student's name to see student's information. Okay. Um, these are your tags, and this is your phase right here. You can always edit it and change the phase to school major selection, and you can update, and that's your phase changed. And then you can always add an event. That's where you track your progress of this specific task. Okay. And you type in your start date. Okay. And your start time, say 8 a.m. And your end date is also that same date. And your end time, say 10 a.m. Okay. And your title will be contacting the student. And the content, you just write whatever is in there. Okay. And then you can hit submit. And that's an event. And then you can also upload any attachment that you like to add to that event. And you can always change anything into this event. Okay. And you can always change this into a new phase once you add an event if this task is moving along, and you can update it. Okay. And this is how you manage tasks. And here are the events. Hope this is helpful.